guys, this is Harshla Agarwal from Tracer Case, and this series of videos is going to be presented to you by Indique Law in collaboration with Tracer Case. Before we start, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and if you do not follow Tracer Case, go to Instagram and do it right now. In today's video, we're going to talk about the Constitution, so without any further wait, let's dive into it. Indian Constitution is one of the largest, lengthiest and the most detailed constitutions of the world. It was influenced by socio-cultural diversities, geographical parties, historical trials and integral diversities of the people. It is the supreme law of the land, that is, every citizen of the country has to abide by the Constitution. Nehru Committee report of 1928, chaired by Motilal Nehru, first gave the idea for the formulation of Constitution by the Constituent Assembly. It was majorly formed on the lines of the Government of India Act 1935, which incorporated numerous provisions for the smooth functioning of the judiciary, legislative and executive. The objective resolution moved by Jawaharlal Nehru during the first session of the Constituent Assembly on December 13, 1946, formed the basis of the preamble of the Constitution of India. It also enshrined the ideas and aspirations of the people in the Constitution of India. There were a total of 17 committees that were formed during the formation, and all these committees were headed by the drivers of the national freedom struggle. It took a total of 2 years, 11 months and 18 days for the formation of the Constitution. The third and the final reading of the draft was done on 26th November 1949, and this day is celebrated as the Constitution Day across India. The Constitution came into being on 26th January 1950, and this day is celebrated as a Republic Day across India. The Constitution has 395 articles, 12 schedules and 22 parts, and it has been amended 104 times. Various provisions of the Indian Constitution have been borrowed from constitutions of other countries, and it has been incorporated in our Constitution according to the demographic needs of India. We know that every country has a constitution, but it is the constitutionalism that makes the difference. Principle of rule of law, separation of power, dignity of individuals, fundamental rights, etc. have been incorporated in the Indian Constitution to outline its constitutionalism. The Constitution of India is a living document as it tries to upkeep with the changing times and scenarios. It has a both flexible and a rigid structure to incorporate the change. As we move through the Constitution, we see that the different roles of the executive, legislative, judiciary, public offices and commissions have been clearly defined. Such roles will be discussed in detail in the upcoming videos. Judicial precedents and statutory formulations have acted as pillars of the constitutions and have from time to time widened the horizon of the constitutions and further elaborated the scope of articles of the constitution. That's it for this video, and before you guys go, don't forget to like and follow Tracer Case.